Thanks for stopping by our Teacher Pay Teacher store. My name is Jason. I'm with Algebra Help Desk. Here's our slide deck on properties of real numbers. This was created in Google Slides. If you're a Google school, this will be super easy to implement. Just go to File, Copy, Paste, and add it to Google Classroom. If you're a Microsoft school, no problem. You go to File, Download, Microsoft PowerPoint with a few clicks, a few edits. Once again, you can use this slide deck just as well as anybody else. We start off with 3 learning objectives. Here they are. We want to identify, explain, and demonstrate. We also include a warm-up activity with our slide decks because I'm a teacher. I spend my own money on resources, and if I can get a resource such as this that has a warm-up activity, built-in activities for the students, and this particular one, there's a lot of question asking going on, and an exit slip, I'm going to buy it. So that's my thought process. We've got 5 new terms we're going to teach these kids. They're listed here. We have 5 slides with each term. And this one here, we're going to tell the students it's essential to put terms in their own language. So after each slide, they're going to do that. We also have other questions here to help facilitate discussion. And then once we go through these 5 slides, and I added a note here that students sometimes confuse this property with sometimes there's confusion, so we want to clarify it. Next, we've got some questions. These could be done individually. You can have the students just write the answer down. You can have the students work with a partner. You can have the students work in a small group. It's totally up to you. Or they could be whole class discussions. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. And this, once again, there's a note here that there may be another new word here, reciprocal. Students may have heard the term reciprocal. They think you just turn a fraction over, but they need to know, especially going into algebra, that reciprocals are numbers that multiply together, are 1. Then for your exit slip options, you've got this one. You can pick 2 properties and explain them to give an example using these numbers. You can also revisit our learning objectives and just have the students say, can you? And then have them explain these things, and then we end with a recap. So this is our Google slide deck on the properties of real numbers. If you have any questions or need assistance with it, just feel free to ask a question.